Have you heard about Tesla's new Megafactory? This is the plant that produces a car per minute. It is in Berlin and has the capacity of 500,000 annual units of the Model Y electric SUV. There's more to mention about this new Megafactory, and we're all here to tell you everything you need to know in today's video. But first, please like and subscribe to this channel, and then sit back and relax. Everything Elon Musk does seems magical. The relevance of the acts of the founder of Tesla has drawn the attentions of the public, and many followers are attentive to the path that the South African billionaire travels. The novelty is the opening of this new factory that promises to build a car per minute, in a time that is surprising in the automotive world. On the outskirts of Berlin, a new Tesla Gigafactory was inaugurated. The company's fifth, but the first installed in Europe, and it opened its door in Germany at a very sensitive time during Russia's invasion of Ukraine. In these times of industrial retractions, also pushed by the microcomponents crisis that was unleashed by the coronavirus pandemic, Elon Musk has the luxury of opening a monstrous factory. This mega complex came with a step change. After several delays in its inaugurations, a few weeks ago the authorizations came out to start productions. Located in the suburbs of the German capital, the factory and its owner has already started delivering the first units to its customers. The South African tycoon was in charge of opening the first Tesla plant and giving the keys to the first 30 owners of the Model Y, his new SUV. According to Tesla, the so-called Gigafactory Berlin-Brandenburg is the company's most advanced technological complex. It is also one of the most important because, being an American automaker, it managed to gain a foothold in the land of the old continent. It has nothing to do with the war, but even geopolitically, it may sound like another sign of unity in the NATO bloc, just what Vladimir Putin doesn't want. How is the Tesla Megafactory in Germany? Elon Musk, always at ease as the center of the scene, hosted an event that was attended by the German Chancellor Olaf Scholz and his economy minister Robert Habeck. Before them, the eccentric businessman danced again at an opening, just as he had done at the end of 2019 when he opened the doors of the factory in China. The history of the factory began in November 2019 when its construction was announced, and it was necessary to wait until the second quarter of 2020 to start developing it. The homologations process and the permits to start up were what took the longest. 2.5 years after the Tesla factory idea, the automaker began assembling the all-electric compact SUV. From this plant in Germany, Musk's branded vehicles will be supplied to most European markets. Being the fifth industrial pole of the brand, this complex respects the guidelines of the other complexes that the company already has. The first one is in Fremont, California, and was an old General Motors factory. Then, the first two gigafactories arrived, both in the United States in Nevada and New York. The first outside the United States was opened in Shanghai, which has a capacity of just over 450,000 units per year, and where the Model 3, the best-selling electric car on the planet, is produced for many world markets. Now, it was the turn of the German Gigafactory. The Megafactory has several production units on a plot of more than 300 hectares. Also, following the usual parameters of Tesla, the factory is developed vertically so that the processes are faster. The Berlin Gigafactory is the largest Tesla factory. According to estimates made by Tesla, when all the units are working, there will be more than 10,000 employees working at the same time. Not only will vehicles be produced there, but work will also be done on battery cells, batteries, electric motors, plastic parts, seats, and axles, among others. Approximately 3,000 employees have started working at the factory, and Tesla will be hiring thousands more in a few months. From productions to business operations, supply chain, constructions to engineering, or cell productions, Gigafactory Berlin-Brandenburg offers jobs in a variety of exciting fields of employment. The plant, with an investment of $5,000 million, could manufacture up to 500,000 vehicles a year, which is equivalent to one car per minute. While the battery factory will generate more than 50 gigawatt-hours per year. Furthermore, when all units are fully operational, it will employ around 12,000 people. On an opening day, Musk was in charge of delivering the first 30 units of the Model Y Performance, which starts at a price of around $75,000. In the European market, it will begin to be delivered regularly before the end of the month, while new orders are estimated to be delivered in May. Tesla used the knowledge acquired in the constructions of world-class facilities in Reno and Shanghai to reduce the environmental footprints of its operations. For example, energy consumptions per cell produced will decrease by 70%, water consumptions per car will be lowered than the combined industry average, and significantly fewer solvents will be used in the paint shop. Tesla's arrival in Europe is an important step for the electric vehicle brand. With this factory, the American company ensures a huge annual manufacturing capacity. With that 500,000 Model Y units, Musk seeks to consolidate itself as the automaker with the most availability of electric models for the European market. Although the Chinese market was positioned at the best for electric platforms, in Europe it seems that people have welcomed this technology in a very good way, which is why it is undoubtedly becoming the second best market in the world of this type of car with a promising future for them, although they are. Remember that Tesla will no longer be alone in the premium market, as brands such as Mercedes, Jaguar, Audi and BMW have already entered this market. We will have to wait to see the future of this brand in the old continent. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, the subscription button and the notification bell to get notified when new videos are uploaded from this channel. Do well share your thoughts about what Tesla's new Megafactory in the comment section below. Thank you.